magpasalamat kay Mrs. Carla Candela, GMA7, Bicol. Ayan, thank you po. The people of Caramuan Island, Ms. Che Bermeo, Office of the Governor, Kamsul, at siyempre kay Mr. Resty Vidal, Resort Manager, Water Village Resort, and Ms. Sabido, the people of Legazpi Albay, Mabulos po sa inyo boss, Ms. Dorothy Collier, OIC Department of Tourism, Mr. Andrew Joseph Zuniga, Official Photographer of the Governor, and
Anyway, Aga, happy birthday, and I promise next time pupunta na talaga ako dyan.
Yes, and thank you rin kay Governor El Rey Villafrede for that interview, for allowing us to document yun nga yung sa nag-shooting ng Survivor US. I'm
Galing naman ni
actually
Derek.
excited to see kung anong kalalabasan ng Camarines Sur. Pag pinalabas ng